They say location, 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 but in this case, timing is everything. 511 Angel is a very unique property. It's a 5-unit property, 1-bedroom apartments or studio apartments. What I saw here was, even though the location was so great, a lot of the buyers were passing because of the size. It really impacted the ability and the speed and the need for speed for this thing to sell. It shows that every investment's not a good investment. It shows that sometimes your numbers can be off and there can be different factors, even in a seller's market, that can push for the property to last a little longer. I own this one, so this one's a little different. You've got 1 commercial, residential to my left. Upstairs is 3 other residentials. So this is a commercial space, this is a studio. One of the residentials is vacant. All the other residentials are occupied. No, they're all month to month. Baseboard heat going throughout the entire place. If you look at the property to my right, that's where the parking is. Down here, you could do whatever you want down here. Gas heat, gas hot water, 100 amp circuit breakers on the electrical. Roof's about 10 years old. If I kept it, student rentals by the room, or make it into like a big 3-family or something where I just split walls up and do all that. I mean, this location is A++++++. In the beginning, we were listed at 1.2. It ended up selling for $775. The person that was buying it, they wanted the east side. They're developers. They said, this is a great opportunity for me to time my sale and this purchase. And every deal is not a good deal, whether it's real estate, whether it's business, whether it's personal, whether it's professional. It's time to cut your losses. You cut them as soon as you can. They say location, 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 but in this case, timing is everything.